So what is implicit differentiation? We're first going to differentiate each term with respect to x. So this would be d over dx 4y squared plus d over dx 2x squared and would equal d over dx 1. So for 4y squared, you would use the chain rule since y depends on x. So this d over dx 4y squared would be 4 times 2y times dy over dx, which is going to be 8y dy dx. If you're unfamiliar with the chain rule, I have an entire video just going over that. Then let's differentiate this. So obviously d over dx 2x squared is pretty simple, 4x, and d over dx 1 differentiated is 0. So now let's add them all together. So you're going to get 8y dy dx plus 4x equals 0. So that's this differentiated with respect to x. So let's now get all the unknown terms onto one side. So we're going to minus 4x to both sides. You're going to get 8y dy dx would equal minus 4x. Let's divide both sides by 8y. So this would cancel out. And now you're going to get dy dx, which equals minus x over 2y.